Have you noticed that the Singapore government has been releasing more land for sale for residential development in the last couple of years? Are we heading for an oversupply situation? Is the demand able to support the upcoming supply? How will property prices and rent evolve in the next few years? My name is PK So from Huttons. Remember to click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Singapore Property TV. Your support is a constant motivation for me to spend time and efforts sharing concise, valuable information online. Now, in this first video of the series, let's study some numbers that could provide us with a crystal ball into the possible scenarios going forward. First, taking a quick look at Q3 2023, a total of 2,805 units across 9 projects were launched for sale. This is the largest launch by units in the quarter since Q1 2021. Developers sold a total of 1,946 units in Q3, which is slightly lower than the previous quarter. The 10-year average unsold units in the market from 2012 to 2021 was 27,767 units. As you can see from the chart, as of Q3 2023, the unsold units was 17,161 units. So if 27,767 is the equilibrium state for stable prices, then there is still a gap of around 10,000 units. It will likely take years to close this gap of 10,000 units. Before we take a deep dive into recent years' numbers, we have to understand that the number of unsold units at any time equals to the number of new supply from GLS and en bloc sales, minus the number of new homes sold in the market. So, if there's a negative result, it means that the demand outstrips the number of new supply in a year. And if that happens, it also means that the government has to sell more land to increase the supply of new homes in the market. So, with that understanding, let's take a quick look at recent figures. Remember, it takes about 1 year for developers to plan and seek the necessary approvals for launch after successfully bidded for a new site, either through GLS land sale or en bloc sale. That's why you see in 2016, the supply of 5,508 units are only available in 2017 for sale in the market. And in 2017, the number of new homes sold is 10566, which resulted in a negative outcome for that year, indicating that the demand was stronger than the new supply for that year. So, if we compile the figures for each year until 2022, and we total up the numbers from 2017 to end of 2022, you notice that the total new supply available for sale in the market was still lacking the demand by 11,366 units. Let's call this the gap. The question is, how soon can we fill this gap? Well, from simple math, it can only be filled in 4 years if the new supply in the market for sale exceeds new home sales by 2,900 units every year. Is this possible, or could it take longer? So now you know why the government has been announcing new sites for tender recently. It is all about trying to close the gap between low supply and strong demand. Check out my second video of this series concerning more numbers that could offer insights regarding the entry and exit point of home purchase and of course the rental market in the next few years.